PHP, and in here we're going to look at the while condition. Okay, so I have a variable x of 10. While x is less than 20, I want to echo out the variable x, right? But if you just do this without putting a counter, without increasing the value of the variable x, what will happen is the variable x is always going to be 10. It's always going to be less than 20, so it's just going to run an infinite loop and probably just crash your system. So what we do here is we put in a counter. This comment here just shows you different ways of writing the counter, and I just prefer the S++, right? So starts at 10, goes through, prints 10. Right? Comes down here, adds 1 to the 10, goes back in here. 11 is less than 20, prints 11. Adds 1 to 11, 12, and so on. Okay? And if I was to run that, this way yesterday. Okay? So, I can change this to say 1. Save that, and say that's less than 20. Okay? So that means it's just going to run again from, from 1 to 20. Now I won't print 20 because we've got less than or equal to. Less than 20. If I put in here equal to 20, that means it should run and print up to 20. If this refreshes now, sometimes it's slow, and there you go, it prints up to 20. So there's your while condition, guys. Straightforward, simple enough. Have a look at this, mess about with it, and don't forget to put a counter in. You need your counter, okay? Thanks for joining me. See you in the next one, lads. Take care. Bye bye.